Welcome, welcome. Well, the internet is buzzing all over the place with the new viral sensation craze of the Smashburger Taco. So come on, come help me make it. Let's do it together. Here are our list of ingredients. Ooh, honey, these onions had me crying. So I decided to chop them up in large pieces and put it in my little chopper here. I'm gonna let my chopper do the work for me because I just can't be up in here looking like I've been through a rough day in front of y'all. Okay. My onions are nice and minced, honey. Take a look. Just a couple of pulls. So I am gonna cut up my tomatoes, dice my tomatoes up. We got our onions done. Okay, now we get all our seeds up in here. Kind of get my seeds going on here. All right. Okay, just dice up my tomatoes. Tomatoes, however you say it. Now, how many people out there like tomatoes? I can tell you right now, my husband, my son, they're not fans of it at all. Like, they love pasta sauce now. And funny enough, I'm not really a huge fan of pasta sauce. I actually would take my pasta plain with just some butter and garlic, and I'm happy. Or some olive oil and garlic, and I'm Gucci, you know? But they love the pasta sauce, and they love the ketchup, but they are not fans of tomatoes. Where I can tolerate tomatoes. Particularly, I like cherry tomatoes, you know, with the beautiful little colors and stuff. But not them. I actually forgot. I need to chop up some of my lettuce here. So I like to kind of do it sideways. Let me tell you something. I try to get some shredded lettuce just to save myself some time. Not worth it. I might as well just do it myself. It's not like I don't know how to chop. So I like to kind of do it sideways, like I said. It was just way too much. I'm like, they're just out here just robbing people. So I put my mayo in here. It's about a cup of mayo. I'm going to put, this is my big 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. Here we go. This I'm going to keep it mixing. Then I'm going to add some honey Dijon. About it's a tablespoon and a half. Okay. I'm going to add some onion powder. Some white pepper. Not too much because white pepper, it's not your friend, honey. Garlic powder. Okay. Now, knowing this sauce calls for vinegar. Vinegar and I are not friends. It makes me have serious acid reflux. So usually I'll use the acid of white wine. So I have a tablespoon right there. Not even a full tablespoon, tablespoon and a half. And we're going to get to mixing. Make sure I have everything here. Okay. Now, no, this is not tartar sauce, guys. It's supposed to be like the max sauce, but but it doesn't look like the color, right? So this is where paprika comes in. So This is not smoked paprika, it's regular paprika. So it's really for the color. And so we'll just continue to mix that till we can and we'll continue to add it rather till we somewhat start getting the color that we need. So it's going to be a little bit more I'm going to have to add in, because we're not quite there yet, obviously. Okay. All right, so I'm adding my Tony Ketchup seasoning here. Okay. I don't want to OD because I have some steak seasoning coming too. Some onion powder. Okay. My garlic powder. Let me tell you something. If you have nothing else and you got onion powder and garlic powder, you're doing good. That just seems to save everything. I'm telling you. Okay. And then I'm gonna put my classic steak seasoning. Okay. Now here. Ooh, this is some real good stuff. Noble Made. It's really great. It's by Noble Made, the new Primal. Got it from Whole Foods, people. Not gonna lie. But it's worth it. It's really good. Okay. So now, just want to make sure I got some flavor going up in here once I start mixing this up. All right, now it's time to get the hands-on moving in here. Now, I've seen this done so many ways. I've seen some people season the patty once it's on the tortilla. I've seen some people, do like me, get the goodness in beforehand. That's what I'm about right here. And that's what I'd like to continue doing. Get the goodness in right here first, and then place it on my tortilla. Then I've seen some people put it on, their pan and smash it for like a smash burger and then put the tortilla on it. Now, the problem with that is that I want meat all on my tortilla. Okay? When you do it that way, it's not usually covering your full tortilla when you put it in the pan. So I rather take it and smooth it out on my tortilla and then put it in the pan. That's what I would rather do. Okay, so this is the way I particularly like doing it. You could do it the way some other people have done it on the internet and, take your ball, make it into like a meatball, and then put it in your pan and smash it, and then put your tortilla on top of it. But when that happens to me, it doesn't like fully cover the whole tortilla. So I prefer doing it the way a lot of people have done it as well. It's to season my meat first. Some people don't do that. They don't do it so after. And now start flattening my meat to the edge of my tortilla. That's how I prefer to do this. So that way I know that every time I take a bite of this tortilla, I have meat from edge to edge, basically. So for me, I'm just smoothing it out, as you can see, edge to edge. Okay. I do have one in my pan right now, kind of going on. So I make sure you want to put in a really hot skillet, hot pan. Okay. And there we go. So I'm putting our Smashburger Taco down. Okay, I have one that just came out. So I'm going to pick it up and put it in my taco stand. Just this way here. Okay. And I'm going to, it's a little tiny bit greasy. All right, so we're going to put our onions that we had used my little machine to dice up. And let me get my pickle. Okay, my pickle that I'm gonna just slice up here. Got my pickle. And then we're gonna take our sauce. The sauce is so good. And then we're gonna take our lettuce. And then our tomatoes. And a little bit more sauce. I mean, that's optional. I want a little bit more sauce. And there you have it. Your taco. And then I have the other one here. I'm just gonna smash down. And I'm gonna flip it over and add my cheese that I'm going to allow to melt. There you have it. Oh my gosh, look at these Smashburger tacos. I'm telling you, anything with that burger meat, if you're a meat lover, can't go wrong with that if you have the right seasoning on it. And flour tortilla, we know that that's always good for like all types of tacos, burritos. And you know, you gotta love your veggies of lettuce and tomatoes. I cannot wait to try this. Oh, and that burger sauce, so bussin'. Our vitamin content is ground beef, vitamins B6, B12, iron, selenium and zinc, flour tortilla, folic acid, niacin, riboflavin and thiamine, American cheese, vitamins D, calcium and phosphorus, romaine lettuce, A, K, calcium and folate, tomatoes, vitamin C, folate and potassium. Real facts. In many states, there has been a rise in food insecurity due to the rise of food costs. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. Here's our viral Smashburger Taco sensation. So, we're gonna taste it. You helped me make it by watching me. So now let's taste it. Ooh, that sauce. Don't get me wrong. The meat is well seasoned, totally great in the tortilla. But this sauce with the pickle, whoa, game changer. Super yummy. Wow. Really good. So, don't forget to click the like button, making me a virtual hug. When you do that, it lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying the content we're putting out for you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And if you haven't hit the like button already, please do so. And hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And the bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I do appreciate your time. I do appreciate you staying to watch this video. And comment below and let me know how you made this. If you do plan to make it, what would you do that's different? Or would you keep it the same? I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.